Hello everyone, if you have not edited your avatar by now, I'll tell you how to do that. Tap on your name and then tap on the avatar, tap on edit there, or from the avatar option in your setting, you can tap on edit from there, the edit pencil option. When you tap there, you can see that you have options like you had when you were creating your avatar of style, hair, makeup, face, body, and sub options. I'm going to change the dress of this avatar. You can select one piece, outfits, shoes, headgears, ethnic wears, or western. Everything is available like we have on a shopping store, clothing store, right? And I'm trying out an Indian one, but now I've choose this jumpsuit. I'm going to select a headwear. Let's try it out, and then let's see for eye wears also and nose wears also. So I'm just trying different things on this avatar and make different look of something cool. Maybe let's see, and tell me how do you like this avatar creation and the selection of different accessories and clothing. And hairstyle, we will remove it, we will change it. Eye color you can change, and makeup with blush, lipstick, face paint, like we actually do in real. So this is like editing your personality that is visible, not personality exactly, but the look visible on your profile pic or in your sticker as well, that I've told you in other video how you send the stickers, etc. So we're gonna select the hairstyle as well. Let's make it a bit funky, and adding face paint to it is making the look so interesting. Now the only thing left is tap on save. Well, it is automatically being saved, and you just have to tap on the cross option on left upper side option, and you can select the body type as well, whichever you want, whichever is your body type or something else you want to create. And see, this is a look. Comment below, do you like it or not? Honest opinions required. And yeah, that's how we edit the avatar on your WhatsApp. See you in the next video. Ta-da!